Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete, remove stickers on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you want to add some stickers, you can actually go to your iPhone gallery, here it is, then open any photo you want, and then you need to tap and hold on any object in this photo. And then a few seconds, these three options will be appeared, and then if you want to add this sticker, you need to click on the second option, add sticker, and then as you can see this sticker will be added. But if you want to delete some of these stickers, you need to tap and hold on any sticker you want to delete, for example this one, and then after a few seconds you will see these three different options. You need to click on the last one, delete, and then this sticker will be deleted. And that's all, and that's how to delete, remove stickers on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.